Good morning student, how are you all? Today we will discuss about the chapter number 3 of the Spark book. Name of the chapter is Nouns, Number. Number means bachan. In Hindi, bachan. So first of all, what is the meaning of singular and plural? So what is singular noun? When we speak about one person or one thing, we use the noun in singular form. Singular means एक बचन, एक चीज, एक इंसान. So for example, one tree, one pen, one flower. The second one is plural. Plural means, what is the meaning of plural? When we speak about more than one person, think, we use the noun in the plural form. Plural means bahubachan. So singular means ek bachan, plural means bahubachan. So now we read about the rule of number. To make the plural noun, keep in mind, mostly first of all, in simple way we use s to make the one noun plural. For example, dog, dogs. In the last we put here single s. Dog, dogs. Car, cars. Toy, toys. Coin, coins. Apple, apples. Dot, dots. So in the second rule, to words ending in a vowel plus y add s. एंडिंग विद वॉवल प्लस वाई. अगर वाई जो वर्ड है उसके आगे कोई वॉवल वर्ड लगा हो, वॉवल वर्ड मीन्स ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. So we will put here only s in the plural form. For example, key, keys. So y in the end. Before y, here add the vowel word e. So we will write down only s in the last of the word in plural form, key, keys. In the next option, next rule, to words ending in a consonant plus o and add es. Consonant. What is the meaning of consonant? These are the vowel words. Rest of the word of alphabetical English, then they are the consonant word. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P. So these are consonant words. Consonant plus O. For example, O is a word. Before O there is a word consonant L. Consonant word is L. So we will write down here es in the last of the word in plural form. We will add here es. Buffalo, buffaloes. In the next rule, two words ending in s, ss, x, sh, ch, es. Noun ending in a hissing sound. Hissing sound means s, double s, x, sh, ch. Sound. Hissing sound adds es to the singular form. For example, church, churches. There is a last word letter is ch. So we will write down, add here es. Church, churches. Bus, buses, because the last word is s. Last word is cs, so write down here es. Bunch, benches. Shes, dish, dishes. Potato, o, potatoes. Es. Mango, o, mangoes. Es. To words ending in the consonant plus y. Consonant plus y. Before we discuss about the consonant plus o, here we will discuss about the consonant plus y. So we will add here IES. अगर y के आगे कोई कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड लगा हो तो हम लास्ट में y को ड्रॉप करके IES लिखेंगे. टू words ending in consonant plus y add IES. For example, baby. In the last word y, before y here is the word consonant b. So write here babies. Drop the word y, drop the letter y and IAS babies. Spy, spies. Baby, babies. Diary, diaries. To word ending with f or fe. After changing f or fe, to add here ves. Ves. At the place of f or fe, we will write here v word, and in the last es we will add es. For example, wife. Here the last word is fe, so we will add here ves. Wife, wives. Wife, wife. Knife, knives. Scarf, only single f, ves, scarves. Wolf, only single f, in plural form, wolves. So this is the rule of change the number. Uncountable nouns are the same in their singular and plural form. For example, deer. In plural form, same deer. Sheep, same sheep. Here, same here. Some nouns are things that are made of two parts. They are always written in the plural form. For example, spectacles. For example, spectacles. So, irregular countable noun don't form plural in the usual way. For example, man. Single person man is man. In plural form, men. Man, men. Goose, geese. Double O, double E. Mouse, mice. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Tooth, teeth. So, this is your homework. Part A. Use S, ES, IES, VES to write the given words in the plural. Use S, ES, IES, VES. So, for example, baby. So, there is Y. Before Y, here is the consonant B. So, we will write here babies. 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 Complete the set. This is one boat. One boat. In plural form, 5 boats. We will add here S in the last boats. 5 boats. Next part is write the singular. There is already the word in plural form, the noun in plural form. Add here S. So we will write in single form river. River. We drop the S and write only river. Man, men. Next part is part D. Rewrite these sentences in the singular. Rewrite these sentences in singular. The bees suck nectar. The bees. Bees are in plural form. So we will write here in the singular form. So you will complete this chapter. The next part is rewrite these sentences in plural form. In plural form, the lion caught the rabbit. Lion caught the rabbit. You will rewrite the sentence in plural form here. The last one is choose the correct form of the noun in the each sentence. I saw a dash running by. I saw a. If there is a, then which one option is correct form of noun mouse or mice? Mouse means chuha, mice means chuhe. Mouse or mice. So I saw a dash running by. A means ek chuha means a mouse. So complete this topic and submit your homework on your homework English homework submission group. Thank you.